Alright. Currently found my old tablet. Already unscrewed and opened it up. Let's take it down. Now, I don't know anything about devices like this. So let's do it. Right? This will do. Right, I had this when I was tablet when I was 8. After the charging ports around here got broken, we kind of throw it away. We found it somewhere. This was an SD card reader. Put this in it. Still don't know what the fuck this is. Don't remember anything. I'm sure I knew back then, but I accidentally took it off. Well, let's take this off. I'll just disconnect the battery. Listen, it's a Chinese shop over there. Hang on, let me get the scissors. I'm currently in my other brother's room because I felt pretty lazy to record this in my room, you know. I'm a weirdo. Alright. Let's cut off the battery, right? 1 second. Done. Cut the red one. Done. Cut both the wires. Right? I think this is a connection to the speaker. Hang on. Let's go over. The camera's here. Yep. It's the battery. Alright. What the hell is this? That's a lazy packaging. I don't even know how the hell to. Oh wait, just disconnected it. That was easy, right? Took the camera out. Let's take this out. What the? Yeesh, why is the quality so bad? Much better. Let's also disconnect the speakers. Oh wait, they're already disconnected. Oh, there's a magnet. This is the screen that it's lying on. They pretty much stuffed everything in here. Let's disconnect the screen as well. Alright, got it. What's this? I don't know, let's take it out. Alright. What's this? I still don't. Think I'll never know what this is. Right, hang on. Go like this. Sec. Right, let's take this out. Oh, there's a screw. Let me unscrew these. Got the first screw out. And got the other one out. Alright. Disconnected from here as well. Hang on, let me disconnect this too. Ah, shit. Hang on. Alright. Got disconnected from here as well. Don't think there are any hazards. Alright. What is here? Hang on, let me handle this. This here. Yeesh. This is gonna be a pain in the ass. Come on. Hang on, let me take the thumbnail shot. Okay, done. Right, took this out. Got it out. That's how it looks from bottom and from up. Now take out the battery. Got it. This thick ass battery made in China. Lol. Let's see. Never mind. We'll get to the motherboard later. Taking the screen out. Oh, fuck. Oh, let me check. Hinge tips. Sorry about that, guys. I accidentally disconnected it. Wait. I think this was the selfie camera. screen out. This is the frame. And how I don't know how the fuck to take this down. This back. I just pretty much distort the tablet. Right. Hang on. Never mind. Let me take down some of the parts. Got it. There are the falling buttons. Take these down as well. All right. I'm gonna get in trouble for this. Never mind. It's the best one I could do. Alright, let's take this there. Got it. Alright, got it. Got the frame out. Alright. All right. So this is what gives it the look. Not really durable. Oops. Got another layer. Layer upon layer. Oh wait. This is the middle. This is the metal part. Alright. That's it. Let's end the video here. So with that, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys there. Yo, Sonic Donuts out.